Microsoft has encrypted beta security measure into its desktop operating system to provide a secure login experience. One such measure is the Secure Sign-In feature, which adds an extra layer of security to log in the process and keeps hackers at bay. If you are interested in using the Secure Sign-In feature on Windows 11, I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Assalamualaikum friends, today we will discuss how to enable Ctrl+Alt+Delete Secure Sign-In on Windows 11. Right click Start button, select Run, type netplwiz, click OK, click Advanced tab. Under Secure Sign-In section, click the checkbox next to require user to process Ctrl+Alt+Delete to enable Secure Sign-In on your PC. Then click Apply. Click OK. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us.